Here I have Alcatel 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to enter safe mode, you just have to hold down power key, and after you see this turn off menu, you just have to hold down your finger on power off. Then when you see this reboot to safe mode, just tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.